Save it from ShortPoint. Your intranet site's contents can vary depending on its purpose and goals. You can add text, images, videos, and other necessary media types to your SharePoint page. But the real challenge is in quickly and effortlessly putting them together to create a modern, engaging, and functional intranet. That's where ShortPoint comes in with over 60 design elements. Let's look at this SharePoint page we made using ShortPoint. In Live mode, you will find these easy pass tags that display the design elements used to create the page. ShortPoint design elements are pre-built and pre-designed page elements. They are used to present information in many ways. They help you build your page in both form and function. They are highly customizable. They have basic to advanced features that you can modify to fit your needs. On this page, we have the sections, rows, and columns, which are the building blocks of the ShortPoint web part. They support the layout and structure of the page. Within them, you can add any design element that fits your content. For example, we have a text design element that captures the user's attention and a button that asks them to take action. We have tiles that serves as navigation to bring users to other department pages. This panel is a content holder design element that wraps around the slideshow. It helps organize the page into different parts. As a ShortPoint designer, you must know what design element works for the type of content you want to display. In this course, I will give you basic examples and list best practices. They will help you become an expert at designing intranets fast. But before we dive into all that, let me get you acquainted with the ShortPoint editing interfaces and how to add, edit, and customize design elements in them. The main editing interface you will be working with is Live mode. This is a fully visual design experience where you can view the contents of your page as you create them. When designing the page from scratch, you begin by selecting a layout. This will divide the initial row into the number of columns you prefer within the section. Click the plus icon found within the column to open the page builder and view the vast selection of design elements you can use. Once selected, the Design Elements settings window will open. Notice the default contents and view of the design element are inserted into your page. All you have to do now is configure the design element content, customize how it will appear on the page, and apply changes. You can do all these in the settings window where you will find several tabs. Each tab contains specific controls for the features and functionality of the design element. Grid mode is the second editing interface of ShortPoint. It is outline-based and most useful when accessing features that are not yet available in Live mode. You can toggle between Live mode and Grid mode by clicking the switch icon on the action toolbar. The experience in adding and editing the design element is pretty much the same. However, you cannot see a live view of your changes as you make them. You can use the preview button instead to check how it looks. In Grid mode, you can use ShortPoint Connect. It lets you make dynamic links to internal and external data sources. You can also limit content visibility, move sections and rows, and apply a few other settings. That is how easy it is to add, edit, and customize design elements in ShortPoint. You have just learned about the basic concept of ShortPoint design elements and how to use them. In the next lessons, we explore the most used design elements and best practices when adding them to your page. We will determine the right design elements you can apply to text, images, and a combination of text and images. We will check out which ones you can use to present videos and other media. We will also talk about design elements designed to integrate various applications. I hope to see you then. Thank you for watching.